What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to lay out your business card in a standard layout format for print-ready graphic without any stress. All you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can lay out your business card for print-ready design. So let's get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic design or Adobe Photoshop, you get notified when you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can set your layout setting for your business card in Adobe Photoshop print graphics. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to File, and then you click on New. All right, guys. So you have to come here. The first at this point here, you type the name of your design, business card. Okay. Then you move to the width column. You'll type in 3.25. So 3.25, okay, 3.25. Then here you make sure that this is set to be in inches right here. Then the height also here needs to be 1.75. Then the resolution should be 300, and here should be pixel or inch. Right here should be CMYK color. This is because this is a print graphics, so you have to set the color in CMYK color. So finally, you can put the background in white color, and lastly, you come here and click on Create. All right, so the next step you have to take now is to set up your bleed area and the safe zone for your print graphic as far as business card layout is concerned. So for you to do that, so the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your ruler is active. All you have to do is to go to View and make sure your ruler is checked. So having checked your ruler, you'll be able to see the ruler at the vertical and the horizontal on your Adobe Photoshop. So the next step you have to take now is to drag the ruler both vertical and horizontal. Press Ctrl- to zoom into the entire canvas, and vertical and horizontal ruler should be checked, and make sure you drag it all over the pages, just like what you see on the screen right here. All right, so the next step to take now is to set a safe zone. What safe zone simply means is that a place whereby whatever you design, your graphics must not go beyond that. Okay, so for you to do that, all you have to do is to make sure you come to the Home tab right here. So when you get to the Home tab, click on Image. Then from Image, click on Canvas Size. So at this point here, this is where you need to enter a safe zone figure. So the safe zone figure should be 0.25 by 0.25 height. Then you make sure the relative is checked. So once you are done, you can change the background color from, you can choose the background color white, okay? And then once you are done with settings, you have to come to the top right here and click on OK. Boom. So you can see now that the page has expanded a little bit with 0.25. So now the next step you have to take is to drag your ruler again, both vertical and horizontal. So I'm going to drag it right away. Left and right. So finally, you need to set your cutout area. So whatever you are going to design as far as business card is concerned must not go beyond this particular area right here. So for you guys to set up a cutout area, you have to follow the last step I'm going to show you right here. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you go back to image. Then we get to image, go to canvas size. From canvas size, this is pump up. So you can see from the screen right here that our business card is 3.5 by 2 inch. Now, for you to start to add a cutout area, so you have to add another 0.25 by 0.25. All right. So finally, you have to come here and click on OK. Or better still, for the saves for the bleed area, you can change the color to red. That is a danger zone. Okay. And finally, you click on OK. So you're going to have it this way. Okay. So you can just drag the same ruler from the vertical and then the horizontal. So guys, this is how to lay out business cards for print ready in Adobe Photoshop, standard business card design without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you can get it done. And if you want me to create another layout setting for print ready graphic on Adobe Photoshop, you can put your tutorial request in the comment section down below. If you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So guys, this is where we're going to stop today on how you can create a layout standard for business card print graphics in Adobe Photoshop. Whatever version of Photoshop you are going to use, this is just the basic step and the standard one anywhere in the world. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.